Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I'm featuring the Host Celebration stamp set called In Your Words. Tons of different sentiments and in lovely fonts too. So here I have a smattering of papers. This might look a little confusing, but I do know what's going on. So this is the Celebration Penguin Playmates Designer Series paper, and that is sized 3 by 5 1/8, and I am matting it with the fresh freesia that is 3 1/8 by 5 1/4. I normally don't give out sizes because, you know, I want you to sort of do your own thing when you get inspired by me. But sometimes something like this is, you need to know some of the dimensions and then you can sort of run with them, I guess. So this little square is 2 1/4 by 2 1/2, and that little strip is that little strip is a 1/2 inch by 2 1/4 perhaps. This is a little trick. If you have I just seasoned that stamp, by the way, if you're wondering, but if you have just a sentiment and you don't really have anything else, that's what I have here. This little square didn't look like much until I put that little pattern paper in it, and now it looks intentional, and I think it works really well. So this is Gorgeous Grape, and that is 2 1/2 by 2 3/4 square. This is just a 4 1/4 strip, and it's 1 inch wide. I back that with a little bit of basic white cardstock just to give it stability because I'm popping it up. You can see I put dimensionals on it, and just on this right side here, I'm double dimensionalizing it because I already have the papers behind it are already matted. So you can see what I'm doing here, about 1.5 inches up from my page. That's the bottom third, and I am putting that little strip of paper. And now I can cut off the excess. And that is sort of my card front done. This is also another little trick if you want to be absolutely specific as to where you're going to put your dimensionals. You can put it on your project first before you put your little sentiment square down. And the top two, I have to double dimensionalize. So there's lots of dimension going on in this card. There are no die cuts. So I just wanted to share with you, this is a Monday's video. It is quick and simple. This is cardstock and Designer Series paper and ink. That's it. So, oh, and well, there's going to be a little bit of bling, you know me. So that's pretty much the card. I'm coming in with, these are called Playing with Pattern Resin Dots, and this is the light purple. They called it Purple Posy, the color that didn't happen last year, but it does kind of match with our fresh freesia. And then what I'm going to do is jazz up the envelope. So here is an envelope. The flap I'm putting adhesive on, and there is the Penguin Playmates Designer Series paper off to the side, and I'm just going to lay that directly on my adhesive, and then I'm going to trim out the rest. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. A lot of these products that I'm using today, you get them free with a purchase of $60 or $120. All right, thanks so much for watching, kids. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.